Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back to the channel. Tonight is Thursday night and I'm doing something very simple and gonna be very delicious, and yeah. So I'm gonna be in this kitchen all night long. So we cooking our whole meal in this rice cooker. So I'm gonna start off with some Adele's chicken and apple sausage. I have some Tennessee Pride maple sausage. I have a pepper, an onion, butter, Thai paste, Sazon tropical garlic powder, onion powder, and garlic butter. Alright guys, so we got our onions and peppers chopped up, diced. Now we're going to, and I sliced my sausage as well. We're gonna just take some butter. We're gonna take some butter and some olive oil. If we open it, can you measure me out 2 cups of rice? Some oil and butter. There you go. Oil and butter. We're gonna start off by there might be some mama on, cause I ain't got no 3.
You got 3 seconds.
Let me see. I'm gonna start on my sauteing our veggies now for a few minutes. Just a few minutes. Let those sort down. Saute down, y'all. We're gonna let them saute for a little bit. And in the process of that, I'm gonna chit chat with y'all for a little bit. So there's not much going on today. It's just Thursday evening. Dinner time is approaching. And hey, that's what we're making tonight. Keeping it real simple, y'all. Really simple. So I ran in Walmart to get me a few items to go with this. Y'all let me know down below if y'all tried these yet. If you're a cashew or almond lover. Y'all let me know if y'all tried it before. So we gotta have 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water. Yeah. Yeah, I tried those, y'all. I feel in love with them. Oh my gosh. They are so good. So if y'all like almonds, cashews, give it a try. I think you'll like them. Me and my sister Risa, y'all know I call her Risa. Simply Risa. Y'all check out Simply Risa. If you're coming across this video and you had never first time here, or you know, check out Simply Risa if you have not. And her husband has a channel with G Rich. I'm going to tag Risa in this video because we are supposed to be making the same thing for dinner. So we're doing ours different. But she gave me the idea of a brown sausage. I was just going to put the link sausage in mine, but she gave me that idea, so I ran in with it. We're going to put our sausages in there. Y'all, they were frozen, but guess what? That heat going to do cooking. That heat going to cook them. Yep, that's what that heat going to do. Cook. We're going to let that do what it do. Alright guys, so we're going to take out the onion and peppers. Just put them in a bowl. Just put them in a bowl. to be all the way cooked because they're gonna cook like 20 minutes in the rice cooker, so they'll soften up as the rice cooks, as the cooker goes on and on and on. Yeah. I'm gonna buy 2 packs of that sausage. I'm glad I did. That's enough. Enough. I'll make sure I get all the sausages out. A few peppers and onions on mine. I don't mind those being enough. This one. So we got that out. Now we're gonna put in our maple sausage. We're gonna grind this up. And we're gonna go to our next step now. Alright guys, we got our ground sausage ground up good and done. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna put it right on top of our other sausage and peppers and onions. And that part of the cooking is done. Next thing the rice cooker gonna do. That's all I had to do, guys. Let's see. Oh, that's me a good job. Goodness gracious. Alright guys, so we have everything cooked up. And this cup, I have 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna pour my meat mixture in on top of my rice. Oh, that's a lot, y'all. Hold on a minute. We gotta do some adjusting, y'all. We gotta make some adjustments, y'all. Okay. So we got that in there. Now, we'll take our water. So remember we had 2 cups of rice. Now we have to use 4 cups of water. It's 4 cups of water, 2 cups of rice. Okay, now we're gonna do a little seasoning. We're gonna start off with putting 2 tablespoons of Thai paste. I made that a tick. No, we're gonna do 1. No, we're gonna do 2. Haha. Change my mind just that quick, y'all. Y'all seen that? It's called prerogative. Change my mind just that quick, y'all. So we got 2 tablespoons of that Thai paste. Okay. And we're gonna put a pack of Savory. It's not a lot of seasoning I'm gonna have to do, y'all. I'm gonna put in a little bit of garlic butter. That's a little garlic butter. Y'all know I'm using garlic powder. Y'all know it, y'all know it, and y'all know it. I know y'all know it. And we're gonna use some onion powder. You don't have to be so much heavy on that. And some sage something else y'all know me use. Y'all know me use accent too, right? Yeah. Y'all know about that, right? Okay. Then I'm going to get a little butter, like a tablespoon of butter, and put it in there as well. And then we're going to let this machine here do its thing. And when she does her thing, I'm going to show y'all what we got before we go to eating. Alright. So that's it for that part, y'all. We're gonna set it and forget it. Alright guys, we have some dirty rice. That's what I'm gonna call it. I couldn't think of what to call it y'all before, but it's gonna be dirty rice. How about that? We're gonna call it dirty rice, y'all. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please consider subscribing. Turning your notifications on to all so you're notified when some live upload new videos. And that's it. Have a good night.